Hi everyone, this is Deborah, and today I'm going to be starting my sorting of my product. I mentioned in the last video that I've got stuff everywhere, and as evidenced by this little pile that I just pulled out of one of my drawers, and you can see that it's all mixed up. I don't even have the cover for it anymore. I don't know what's happened to that. It might be somewhere, but at the moment I'm just going to start sorting. So because I don't have the cover for everything, I can't remember what these are called. I think they're called dials. Let's go with dials. But because I don't have that, I've got another method for naming them. So I have these, which this one is, these are for stamps and they've got punctured holes down the side. This one hasn't got the tab on it. So I want to use the ones that have got the tabs on them. Not everything has a tab. I think I'll use the ones that don't have tabs. I think I can use them for the in-between ones. And I thought if I put one in each of these and then I put a name on it, then I could put them in alphabetical order so I could find them. I don't know if this will work. I'm probably like you. I'm always looking at sorting my supplies and how can I find them when I need them and want them, and I know what I've got, but I don't know where they are. So I thought that I would try this, and I've got this, which I've had for ages, which is just a tub from the hardware section at Bunnings, but it's the perfect size to fit these in, and because it's got these dividers, they won't all fall backwards if you take one out, which I like about it. So I also have some labels, and I thought if I just put the label on, I'm pretty sure these are called dials, so let me just write that onto a label. I can always redo this later if I'm not happy with what I've done in terms of my label, but I thought if I put the label on and then put the things inside, then if I put them into here and then they're alphabetical, I should just be able to flick through and find them when I need them. Let's just try and see if that works, shall we? So I do know these, oh look, see, there's more. The beauty is I've got them here, I can just slip them in. I've more. I've got these, which I just bought some more of, which are the, where are they? These ones here. These are called portraits. Now, as I said in the last video, I'm not sure if these are the same, but they look to be the same to me. So I'm going to pull this out and stick them in a packet without trying to get them everywhere. I just want to take that out. And then I'm going to slip them in here before they go everywhere. I'm going to leave that backing cover on there, and then I will put these other ones in. I think I've got more over there in the drawer as well. Now I guess this would be a good use of these ones here, that I could put that behind it and then I could have two stacks of portraits rather than just the one. So maybe I'll do that. Yeah, I think I'll try and lessen the load on one of these containers. I have quite a few of these containers, and I think it will be enough to do what I want to do. And again, I'm just writing my label. I have to excuse my terrible writing. I used to be really good at writing, but too many years scratching out notes in meetings meant that I'm no longer great at doing that. And also these. Now, oh, more portraits. I think this is one of the snapshots. It would appear to be. Just pop those in here. At least packing up will be easy when I've got something out. I'll just quickly be able to whip it on and pack it up. Now I'll put the ones in here because I'm not differentiating between last year and this year's snapshots. To me, they're just snapshots, so they just can go in there. But I do need one that's got a tab on it here, this one, okay? Because I bought that new packet of snapshots. I mean, you could call these labels whatever you like. When I'm using my supplies all the time, I know the labels, I know, you know, the product and what everything's called. Where are they? I had them here just before. Here, these ones. In fact, I'm not even going to open them. I'm just going to stick them in already in the packet like that and pop them into my thing here so you can see that now I'm just tipping that on the side so you can see that I'll be able to just look through this, and because they're alphabetical And also these tabs are offset. So I'll make sure if I put one behind the other that I've offset that, you know, I've got one where the tabs are offset. They go all the way along. I don't know where you get these from anymore. I really have no idea. I just have them. And these ones here are called collage strips. Now, I wonder if I should put all the collage strips into one, like behind each other, which I will, because they start with C, don't they, all of them? But my question is, do those big ones fit in here? And the answer is no, they don't. Although they will stick up like that, and that's okay. Yeah, I think that'd be fine. I'll put them at the back. I've got some, where's the little ones? No, they're paper strips. Oh, I've only got that one, okay. Let me write this. And I could always print these labels as well, so it would be a bit neater, which I used to do, but I'm not doing that at the moment. Okay, and then what are these? So this is another packet that I had in the cupboard. Oh, they're called collage tiles. Okay. We should get another thing. Now, this is what I mean by offsetting. I'll just show you this. So where I've got that one, I've got the tab is there. And I do have another one with the tab on the right-hand side. But if I use the tab that's on the left-hand side, it will stand out a bit more from the other one. So we'll put this one in. Collage tiles, where is it? Here. I popped it in the thing already. Can go there. And these are sticker book postmark. So I don't think I need a tab because that sits up. I don't think I need one with a tab for this one, so I'll probably put that behind the portraits. And these are paper strips as opposed to collage strips, okay. Layer frames, let's get this one in. Oh, I think I'll be writing there. As bad as my writing is, it's even worse when I was trying to do it over there. And these ones are called sticker tape. Will I put cello? I will. Okay, and then paper strips as well. I need to write that one. Okay. No tab on that one. There we go. Layer frames. And paper strips. Cello sticker tape, this one. I think both of these will fit in one because they're quite thin. I'll put them both in one. I've also got another one of the grey things, one of these. So I think that will mean that I'll be fine with whatever I need. Don't think I'll need another grey tub. Shattered windows. I think I'm running out of the tabbed ones. Oh, here's one, because I could also make a tab. I was actually going to make tabs and just put them in here. And then I remembered that I had these, so I thought I may as well use these. They were just sitting there in one of my tubs. Portraits, post here, shattered windows in there. What are these? Oh, more snapshots. So I've got one snapshot. Okay. Hang on, I think I seem to have more snapshots. Okay, didn't realise I had that many. Maybe those other ones aren't snapshots. They are. Let's look at these ones. Maybe these are from something else, although they do look, no, they are. Yeah, they're snapshots as well. Clearly I bought 2 packets last time of the first release. So I may have 3 packets of the release now, but never mind. And I've got those, I know, layered frames. I've just written a tag for them. And I'm not going to put my paper dolls in here. I'll show you what I did with my paper dolls on another video. I also won't put these in. I put all my metal things in one packet, in one container, so I know that that's all my metals. And I've got other than Tim Holtz metals in there as well, but I find that easier. If I know all my metals are in one place, I find that much better. And this is Photomatic. And of course I do have a drawer full that I need to sort out as well. Paper, portraits, Photomatic goes before there, and these ones which I need another tab, here it is, which are collage paper. Oh, collage tiles I had. I thought I had that, but collage paper. And I think that that's it for now. I'll get the other stuff out and I shall do some more, and I might even do some more on camera at some point. But, oh, I just found another one. Hang on. I found these sitting over hiding, which are, let's see. Let's pull that out. Photo Studio layers. Okay, I've got other layers. So I think that they can go under L for layers, because I do know that I have others. And then we can have a look and see how it's looking. It's not full yet, of course. Now I do want to pop that backing in there. There we go. I've got layer frames and layers photo studio. There you go. So there you go. That's what it looks like at the moment. And it'll keep the dust off them because they're in packets. Although I do put them on a cupboard, on a shelf anyway, in the cupboard, so the dust will be kept off. And then they're quite easy to flick through, because you know I can move them around if I've got less or more in one pocket, like this, because that's quite full in there, to make them flip back and forth easier. But that's it. Okay, thanks for joining me today. This is Deborah. Cheers.